Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to calculate the curve number using the ArcGIS Pro. First of all, you have to open the ArcGIS Pro application. Here it is, it's already open in my case. And for this, to calculate a curve number, you need three important things. The first one is the land cover or land use file. So here I have for my desired project. I already calculated that, and you need to calculate these things and to have land use map. The second one is the soil texture map. So I already have this one also, and it explains to me that I have BC and CD type of soil in my desired area. But I would like to calculate the curve number for more small area than this. So in that case, I need my catchment area within this specific study area. So I'm going to upload the catchment area of my desired place. You have to go to the maps and then add your catchment. So I will go to the catchment 10. Yeah, this one here you can see. So you can change it by using the symbology option. Here, this is my catchment area. Now I will show you it lies where. You see here. I will in this map maybe. Yeah. So I would like to calculate the curve number for this specific area. But how to do this one? So I need the land use for this specific area, but I already have a land use map for a big area. So now I would like to extract it. You have to go to the geoprocessing tool and here write extract by mass. Okay, by clicking here it up and your input raster, it should be your land use, and the feature mass data should be your catchment. That was catchment number 10 for me. So give them a name and output and save it in your desired location. So I would like to save it here, and I will name it tank 10 land use. This is just a name. You can name it anything you like, and then hit run. After a couple of seconds, you will see that you will get a land use for your desired place. So here we go. Here you can see that this is a land use map for my desired project. Now you have to select, you have to do the same procedure for the soil map. Okay, so here I select my soil raster data and the catchment is the same. I will give the name as different and will save it in my desired file. I will name it tank 10 but soil. Yeah, and then click on the run button. So here you can see this is my soil map, and you can see it shows me just only two, and below it shows the B, C, and D. So what it means? Okay, now I will go to the attribute table of this one, and I will check what is 2. So yeah, not attribute table, sorry. You have to go to the symbology. Also an attribute table will show it to you, but here 1 is B, 2 is C, and 3 is CD. Okay, so in this case I have 2. It's mean I have type C. soil only in this specific area. Okay. Yeah. The next procedure is you have to change these both extracted raster files into polygon. So simply right here, back to the geoprocessing tool and right here, raster to polygon. Yeah, so search it here. Here is it is raster to polygon. So the input raster is 1010 land use, okay, and the field should be value, and just save it and output where you like in your desired folder. I will save it in curve number, body curve, catchment, initial, and I will name it tank 10 land use underscore polygon. Hit run. Yeah, so here it changes to the polygon. Now do the same procedure for the soil raster data and then save it. Yeah, tank 10 soil underscore polygon. Well done. Now you have two polygons. One is for the soil map and the second one is for your land use map. Okay. Now the other important procedure is you have to make a union of both polygon. So just simply write union and the geoprocessing tool. Okay. Here you will find the union, double click on it, and your first input feature should be tank 10 land use polygon or tank 10 soil polygon, it doesn't matter. And the second one is the tank 10 soil polygon. Okay, and save that one in your desired folder and name it. Yeah, I will name tank 10 underscore union. Okay, yeah, it will take some time, but yeah, the union is completed now. Now if you check, I don't need these now, the catchment, this and this one. So just go to the attribute table of the union. Yeah, here you will see this gray code, it represents the land use, and gray code underscore 1 is representing the soil. Okay, if you click anywhere in this one, also you will see it here it's like it representing, and the 2 is for the soil, a gray code 3 is for the land use. Okay, now important things, you have to add 3 more section. So just click on add. Okay, and the first one is we need edu, the land use. Okay, it should be in text. Okay, important thing. And just click here, add more is like land use underscore soil. Okay, this should also be in text. And number 3 is very, very important. Just we need also area, and the area should be in float. Okay, because we need a numeric value for this. And then go to the fields and save it. Saving it is very important. Okay, yeah. Now if we close this one, so here you can see now we have land use underscore soil and area, 3 different columns. So we need the gray code values and the land use column. Okay, this one. For this, you have to right click on this. It will be selected, and then click on the calculated field. Okay. Yeah, here. So just click here, and you can see here that the gray code values representing the LU. So here just find the infield gray code, double click on it, it will be pop up here, and just click apply or run or anything that you have. So you see all the values are now here now. So it's we got the values that was required. Now the LU underscore soil, you have to do the same procedure for it. Calculate field. Yeah, but this one a little bit tricky because we need the LU values, also the gray code one, I mean the soil values to be represent which specific polygon represent which. I mean the land use 7 represent which kind of soil type, right? For this, you can manually write here, but I already wrote a formula, so I will copy it and will paste it, then I will show you. Yeah, this one. Okay, this LU, just search it here and click it. So the LU is this one, right? And this plus one, then after the plus is here, you have to write this quotation mark. Okay, just from your keyboard click on quotation mark, then underscore mark, then again quotation mark, then again plus, and then click on the gray code one, this one, you know, which representing the soil map. Okay, then hit the run or apply or any option you have. Yeah, now you see I have the values like such type of this, but this is wrong because it's representing this, you know. So I'll go back, calculate field, and I'll check the formula what's wrong. Yeah, here it is wrong because I selected both gray code. LU was already we did it in last procedure that it was a gray code, and but for the soil it representing gray code 1, but here you see the formula was wrong. So I will select this one. Okay, and then I will apply, and it will be showing to me like this. Yeah, now you can see this and this, right? 706079. Okay, so that gives some zeros, but here 725272. Okay, because we had only one type of soil here, so it's only 2 we have also 0, but I will tell you later about this. Now come to the area. This is very important. Same procedure, but instead of calculate field, you have to click on the calculate geometry. Okay, so here select the area and also select your desired unit. I like square kilometer, and coordinate system, I want the same union map, the same coordinator for this. So here should click on apply and then okay. Yeah, see I have also area for this. Now if you click it here, it gives you the area plus land use soil, right? This is 3, this is 2. So for each polygon you have now the information. The other important procedure here now is you have to click on the area and then click on the summarize. Okay, we want to summarize the table. In the field you have to select the area, right? And it will automatically it will be in sum because we need in a sum. And here just you need to click on the land use soil that we already calculated values for it, this one. Okay, and then click OK. After this, go here down and select your this summary table and open it. Yeah, here you see we have all the information here. Okay, some of the area, also the land use and soil map. So here now some values contains some portion contains zero values. It means there is some misinformation and we don't need that, so simply delete them. Okay, just select it. Okay, by clicking here 1 2 3 it will be selected where you find the zero. Yeah, and come here and delete it. It will be deleted. Okay, now you have the polygons that contain complete information, but after this you have to save it, right? Edit and then go ahead save. Yeah, it's saved. Right now in this also we need to add some more sections for the curve numbers. So the same procedure, click on add. Yeah, here we need the curve number, and the curve number should be in short. Okay, click short. We need another one is the curve number area underscore area. Okay, and this should be in the float. Both are numeric values here. And then go to the fields and save it. Yeah, exactly. Now we have these columns, but now you need to write here the curve number. From where? I will keep the link and description for the curve number table. Okay, so I already open it. Here is the hack HMS technical reference manual curve number table, and it gives the information for all of you. Okay, I will put this one in description so you can easily access this one. Yeah, now go back to this one, and here we need to check for the land use and soil. We have two values, right? So here I'd like to check what is 2. In my case, the 2 is the developed land. Okay, and here 2 I showed you before that the 2 means type C. Okay, here this one, so develop type C. Now go here and check it, where is the developed. But in my case it's here you can see the fully developed urban areas, but it's not a fully developed urban area. In my case it's just residential districts, so it's a townhouses. I will go for it, and this is the C values for the developed land. Okay, just you need to write this one and curve number values here. Yeah, sorry. Okay, now 3 2. What is 3 here? In this case the 3 is the bare land or barren. Okay, so if I go to the attribute table of this, it will gives me all the value. Okay, 3 means barren, and it's all the information is here, so I don't need it. Yeah, so it's a bare land and the soil type is same for all, so I will just go to the table again and I will check where is the bare soil. Yeah, here. So here in this case is 91 is for the type C. I will go back. 91, and number 4 is the shrubland. Yeah, here, where is the shrublands? I think desert shrub would be nearly similar values, so I'll pick again the 85 for the type C. And number 5 is the planted, cultivated, or agricultural land. So in this case, I will check here again. Which one is, yeah, I think I will go for the crop residue, this one. So it's in poor condition. I will pick 90 values. And then number 6 is snow. So for the water, snow or wetlands, it's almost 100. Okay, it's not included in this table, but you can search it, and so there is another tables which gives these values, so you can use it as a reference. And the last one is the mountains, 72. So I'll go for it. Where is the mountains? I have to check. Yeah, mountain bush mixture. Mountains brush mixture of oak brush. So I will go in fair condition for this type, CS57. It's up to you, like you have to read it very careful and just pick your values. Okay, now I have the curve numbers, and importantly now I need to calculate the curve number area. So just click on it, go to the calculate field. Okay, so it should be the curve number. Just click on the curve number multiplied by just one time, click on this one, and then the sum of the area. So here we have sum area. Okay, sum underscore area, this one, and just hit and then apply. Okay, now you have all these values. If you now click on this table, you will have all the information here, right? Yeah. But it doesn't include the curve number, and it was includes only the previous information, because we are now working on the summary table, right? Okay, now what you have to do, you have to open the Excel sheet. Okay, and I already calculated for that type of tank, so I will go for the, I will name it tank 10. Okay, we have a formula now, and it is very, very important to understand this one. If you read a curve number, like the formula is the for the weighted curve number, the sum of each area into its curve number divided by the total area. Okay, this is the formula. This one you can see here, the curve number formula is this one, right? Okay, so we are going to calculate values for this one. Okay, so for this you have to do simply statistic of the curve number area divided by statistics of the sum underscore area in the Excel sheet. So go back to okay, one more thing is like it shows that the numerator divided by the denominator. Okay, so I will here give the n, here d, and here the curve number. So we will calculate it. So now I will go for the I showed you before, the curve number area. Click on this and give to the visualize statistics, and then here you have the sum values. Copy it, go to here and paste it. Now click on the denominator. Okay, okay, the denominator. So I don't need this. Now I will go to the sum of the area. This is our denominator, and then visualize statistic, and then sum of this, and then go here and then divide it by it. Numerator divided by denominator. Yeah, here we go. So it's 84.3. So I can say nearly 84 is our curve number. Yeah. Thank you.